Everyone, in today's video we'll learn what if someone copies your video or uses your YouTube video and how you can go by submitting an official removal request for it, right?
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
So I will showcase my other channel which has around 40,000 subscribers and a lot more content with a lot of history to it, right? So if when you go into YouTube Studio, just go to content detection. Now I have already created another video on what is content detection and copyright licenses. You can check that video for more information, but if you go to copyright you can see there are four tabs, and YouTube's tool automatically detects which videos on the overall YouTube are matching your content which have used your video. Now the good part is they show how much of your video and which video has been used by other creators, right? So you can see over here, this is my video, breathtaking drone view of Badai Member, and 70% of my video has been used to create this clip by this content creator. You can see how many views they have got on that video, you can see how many subscribers they have on their channel, right? And what is the date of their short. So you can see this short of mine has been used 100% by this creator. Now one thing to remember is you should know the YouTube licenses. One thing is, if you have put up as Creative Commons, then basically you have allowed other creators to use your content to remix and use. But if you have kept any short or video which is being utilized by any other creator under standard license, then basically you have the whole right to ask them or YouTube to remove that video, right? So that's the most important part. And how to go about removal. Now suppose I want to request removal of this video, so you can see this is archive, that means this will archive this overall entry. The next is request video removal. Third is contact channel. You can contact the channel owner and ask him via mail to humbly request or do not use your content in future. And you can view the channel. So you, if I just click on this, I can view the overall channel of that creator who has used my video. That's one. Now for this video purpose, I will click on request video removal, and you can see this screen pops up, right? So first thing is, it automatically detects which is the infringing video and which is the content of mine. If you want to add any other video which was used since by the same channel, you can add it from the channel. You should input your videos of, since you are the copyright owner, your name, your details, everything over here. And then the removal options have points. Either you can send a 7-day notice, or you can send a request removal which is immediate. That means immediately the video has to be removed, right? And you can tick mark this to ensure that in case your takedown request is valid, YouTube will try to prevent new uploads from appearing on the platform of the same video, right? And you just these are the legal agreements. Basically YouTube has to ensure that this is a valid request coming from you, and this kind of a legal agreement, since you are asking another creator to remove their content. You have to input your name on this and just click on submit. So if you have selected request removal now, immediately the video will be removed. And you might ask why, but you have already given your undertaking to YouTube that it is legit with the request you are submitting. If you send a 7-day notice, the creator, there will be a warning on his channel, and he might try to reach out, right? So that's what works in a 7-day notice, and the creator can remove the video within 7 days of you sending. Now you can see I have already done this for many of my videos. You can see I have raised so many requests for video removal or deletion, right? And after that, automatically prevention, this is the option wherein YouTube avoids the same copy to be used. It find matches and everything is done. In some cases you might receive messages over here for any creator who is trying to reach you. They might reach you on mail also, which is provided on your channel bio, right? So this is the way you can initiate removal for any video which has been used of yours by any other creator. Just go to the content detection tab and check here, right? And one more important thing, YouTube strangely does not send any notification via mail for any copyright matches which are found. So you will have to keep a regular check on this content detection tab, and as per your requirement you can raise a removal request, or you can message the content creator and resolve it for removal. I hope this was useful. If there are any queries, post in the comment section. If you have found this video useful, do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.